Yes!
Hi and welcome to our channel!
Hi guys! Hey.
We are here at our friend's house, Alex.
Hello! We're here at Live Oaks. We're a healing centre. Basically we have 15 hectares of beautiful land with endless views. And we've got some really nice accommodations here. We've got some yurts, 8-metre yurt which is green, it's beautiful, 6-metre yurt. We've got some bell tents, we've got a 2-bed house, lots of places for people to stay. Retreats here, we have people come and they do transformation where they find themselves again and they transform into a new person, a happier, lighter version. Love it.
Absolutely amazing, and the view of Monsanto is just breathtaking. Eh?
You see that hump over there? Ding! That's Monsanto.
You can check them out on Instagram, right?
Yeah, Instagram,
and Facebook, or the usual social media.
liveoaks.com.
We will put the link in our description if you want to check him out.
But the reason why we're here, apart from catching up with our old mate, is about 6 months ago, Alex called me and I came up to build a little chair for him. Well, not
Big
really
chair.
little. Eh?
Big chair.
He had about 3 dead, half-dead fig trees that were being eaten alive by thatch ants. And we decided to turn them into a nice big old chair with a nice view.
In memory for my mum as well, so it means a lot more than just a bench.
Before we show you how Luke made the bench 6 months ago, I just wanted to go on this beautiful walk because Alex has an amazing piece of land, but also to tell you one little thing. If you're caught up with our life and you've seen Luke working with his chainsaw, you know that Luke is suited up for safety now, but back then he wasn't. So don't cringe, don't keep your eyes closed, nothing happens to him, thank goodness, and the bench comes out beautifully, so keep watching.
I think we can leave this on.
Yeah.
So imagine this just cut in half as it is. And that would be the bottom thing that's on the floor basically, if I manage. How cool is that? Let's see what we got. Hey! We looked up online and fig wood isn't the most strong wood and it's completely infested with ants, but we think it's worth a shot. Yeah, we're going to take off the bark, sand it down a bit and then buy some product to kill everything inside it, unfortunately, so you better run away guys, and then we can wax it after. I think it might look cool. Hopefully it's strong enough to stay together and take the weight of 2 people. I don't want anyone to sue me. I'm gonna have to make him sign a waiver, I think. Okay, off to the next piece. Woo! Woo! Okay, we've got most of it loaded. Let's get them safely down so we can sand them. Alrighty, go for it. It's good, it's good, it's good. No worries. There's a skinny bit. Good job.
I slept here last night because it made more sense than driving back an hour home and then an hour in the morning, so at least I can get an early start. It's about 8:30. I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday, but we decided to use the fig. There were 2 old fig trees that were being eaten from the inside from apparently our thatch ants, which are like these tiny ants, and some of them have like a red head. Yeah, I started sanding it. Check this out. Look how beautiful it is. Now, we did look up online and it says that it's a softwood and isn't good for load bearing or anything, but me and Alex came to the decision to risk it anyway. So we'll see how it turns out, how long it lasts and whatnot. They have started eating it, as you can see from all that, but I think that looks pretty cool. We looked up online how to kill them, unfortunately, for the guys who haven't left. Yeah, this is the way it goes. Oh well. Sorry, environmentalists. Yeah, I think we're going to try, once I sand all the pieces and before I start putting it together, I'm going to paint it with petrol to kill them. Sorry again. Hopefully it will kill them and they won't keep eating the tree or the bench when it's done. Online it says that the grain is really like nothing spectacular, but this looks pretty spectacular to me. This is the other side. Look at that. How cool that is. So hopefully we'll be able to treat it with the fuel. We're willing to take a risk. Alex knows that this is all kind of new waters for me. So we'll see how it goes. Ding! Okay, so all I'm doing is taking off all the bark, any rotten bits or eaten away bits. One, to take off the bark so hopefully the petrol can penetrate the eaten away wood and kill the ants. And 2, taking away all the rotten bits and eaten away bits so it doesn't, I don't know, spread or... Okay. There's so many faces of animals you can create in your own mind when looking at this. It's so cool. I really love it. Okay, so we collectively decided not to use petrol. I'm sure that's a good thing. So we're using boiling water, a bunch of salt, and bicarbonate of soda, which is all alkaline, which basically ants detest.
And ashes.
And ash. And then we're pouring it into the holes. I'll show you in a sec. Oh yeah, check out that murder potion. Okay, she's done this one already. It's ash and boiling water, baking soda. That wood is going to look so cool once it's waxed, eh?
Yeah.
It's crazy, the ants have been eating it and like parts of the tree are still alive. There's some bits anyway, some are completely dead, like this massive beast here. Slowly killing it.
This is what I was talking about. So obviously the ants have eaten all that, but then it's still alive, this part. Like this part's dead, and this part is still alive. Slowly murdering a tree. She's just so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Fingers crossed it don't crack. Fingers crossed it doesn't crack.
They're so beautiful. That's gonna be like an awesome bench.
I hope so. It's time to start putting this together. Now is the moment of truth to see if it's going to crack, if it's strong enough to even be a chair. We'll see. So, got some different size nails. I cut the head off a couple of them to use as a drill, so we can pre-drill all the holes. I'm going to see how we go. Moment of truth!
Do you see any more ants?
I saw quite a few left, like around, but not on there, which is good. It's slowly taking shape. There's a normal chair there for scale. It's coming along. So it's end of day 2. We've a bit of a jigsaw and managed to get all the pieces together. Just over here I've got the leftover bits, the offcuts, so not much at all, and a bunch of sawdust. Let's not forget about that. This is Peanut. She's a very little peanut girl. So now I have to come back for a third day and just do a bit of finishing, add a couple of branches here and there, but it's looking really cool. I really like it. It's my favorite one so far. If this keeps happening where every one I do I prefer to the old one, it's great because it means I'm learning, you know. And it's really, really solid. It's fig, it's softwood, but I haven't even put any strengthening poles, you know. Anyway, that's it for today. Over here we have meerkat.meerkat.com. A snake. Oh, snaky, snaky! A weird tentacle. And I think this was, oh, this is a dog. Or some type, yeah, a dog. Day 3 of the build. And Poppy's here, obviously, for some love. Hey, Poppy. Nice girl. Today, all I have left, really, I just cut a big piece of that I had remaining of the fig tree, of the dead fig tree. I'm going to put a step over here, a bunch of sanding, and maybe a little side table here, we'll see. And I also have a huge piece of olive to write a kind of in memory of sign for Alex's, in memory of his mum, basically. So yeah, let's get on it. It's a beautiful day. It was supposed to be raining today. Check out that sky behind me, eh? Crazy clouds. Alrighty, what do you think, Poppy? We get started? Yeah, let's do this. This is going to make a pretty cool step. Yes. My mate wanted a plaque to remember his mother. He also mentioned his mum used to love ladybirds, so I put a couple on there. Hopefully they'll come out all right. I'm so happy how this turned out, especially since it was the first time I ever used the Dremel. So thank you so much, YouTube. Like many other things, I learned it from there. This is the third massive chair that I've built, and I really enjoy making them. It's just so much fun and I get super excited. So if anyone has like a dead old tree or a tree they want to remove that's legally to cut, anywhere in the world, I'm willing to travel. So if you want to get in contact with us, you can do that either at our email, lukeandsarahsoffgridlife@gmail.com, or I have a Facebook page which I just started up called Big Luke's Creations. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Alrighty, I think that's about it.
Awesome.
Hey?
Well done, Luke.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
It was a pleasure. Pretty cool, eh guys? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And the good news about this is that you'll be able to see it in an episode of New Lives in the Wild with Ben Fogle.
Ben Fogle!
And more importantly, Alex Solé!
Yeah! We'll see you next time, and yeah,
Ciao!
bye bye. Here there's a meerkat. Meerkat! This is an elephant. Here there's some type of bird.
Oh yeah.
See it?
If you enjoyed this video and you want to keep watching, why not watch this one or this one? And if you want to support our channel, why not subscribe, like and share? It's crazy what you can do for our channel when you share it with friends.